An isosceles triangle, guys,
Yeah.
is a type of a triangle that has only two sides that are equal and only two angles that are equal. Bambija isosceles. When I have two sides. Bambija isosceles. Bambija isosceles. Bambija isosceles. When I have two sides.
When I have two sides.
When I have two angles.
When I have two angles.
That are all equal.
They are all equal.
Bambija isosceles.